Namaste everyone. Wish you all wonderful positive energies. How are you all? Hope all good at your end and all of you are safe and at your respective homes. Few of you must have practiced what I have uploaded yesterday for the positivity. So please keep practicing daily. If you have not yet started, then please start it and keep practicing daily. Please let me know your feedbacks and your feelings in the comment section. So today I am here to present one step ahead of it, that is called as yogic breathing. Yogic breathing is basically very useful for the mindfulness and awareness about the breath. So it helps us to increase the awareness, one, and secondly, it also helps us to correct poor breathing practices, which all human beings practice almost daily. We all have poor breathing techniques. So how to correct that? So first is becoming more aware about our breath. So how to become more aware? So let us start. So you can sit in any comfortable position like Sukhasana, how I am sitting. This can also be practiced lying down on the mat or any surface. Only make sure that if you are lying down with back straight as well as good support for the shoulders as well as back. And of course, you can spread the legs like Shavasana. So let us start. This specific practice can be again done after your asanas or any exercise. And please remember that it should not be done with heavy stomach. So stomach should be empty. So at least 3 hours gap after your meals or food. So let us start. Sit in a comfortable position. Shoulders roll back and down. Lengthen your spine so that your crown of the head is trying to reach towards the sky. Hands on your knees in Chin Mudra as explained in earlier video. Start observing your breath first. So this will be natural breath while you are observing. And try to establish connection with your breath. Now, first step here is abdominal breathing. So take your left hand on your abdomen, belly, or you can also take both the hands like this. Now inhale and feel how your abdomen is expanding. While you are exhaling, feel how your abdomen is contracting. Repeat this for 5 times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale fully. Feel how the abdomen is expanding like a balloon. And exhale out. It's contracting. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale fully and exhale. Now take your hands on your knees again in Chin Mudra and take a pause for a while. Breathe normally during this pause. Now second is mid of the rib cage or diaphragm. So your fingers will be now on the rib cage. So it's approximately 4 inches above your navel. So now hold it like this. Gentle hold, do not press. Now inhale and feel how this part is expanding. while exhaling, how it's contracting. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So here you can make out horizontal expansion also. Inhale, how your palms are going away from each other when you inhale, and how your palms are coming closer to each other while you're exhaling. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now take your hands down on knees in Chin Mudra again and take a pause here with normal breath. Now third part. So take your hands in such a way that your thumbs are going under your arms and your 4 fingers will be on the upper chest like this. So now inhale to feel the expansion of the chest and exhale to feel contraction. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Now take your hands down again on your knees in Chin Mudra. Breathe normally. So now you must be more aware about the expansion of 3 different parts and the contractions happening with inhalation and exhalation. So now we will try to establish a connection between all the 3 parts. So it is like while you are inhaling, observe how it is as a process. So it's like inhale and exhale out. So I am just explaining first. While you are inhaling, your belly will expand first, then mid of the rib cage or diaphragm, and then the upper chest. So while you are inhaling, 1, 2, 3. While you are exhaling, first your upper chest will go down, then mid of the rib cage or diaphragm, and then abdomen. So try for next 5 counts and try to establish a connection between all the 3. So inhale, inhale, inhale. So this is one inhalation only, but just to explain I showed like this. Exhale, exhale, exhale. So continue this for next 5 breaths. So this breathing should be good long breaths and deep breaths. 2, inhale. And exhale out. Inhale. And exhale out. Inhale. And exhale out. Inhale. And exhale out. You can also do more repetitions of this, like 10, 15, 20 as needed. Once you are done with this, slowly join your palms together. Rub your palms nicely. Create good positive vibes, positive energies, and gently massage your eyes, eyebrows, face. Take your palms to the front of your face and slowly open your eyes with a smile on face. Feel all the gratitude for everything universe has offered to us. So here you may feel that while establishing the connection between all the three parts, you may feel that your connection is like maybe abdominal, then diaphragm, then upper chest, and while you are exhaling, it can be here and there. You may feel my specific breathing, your specific breathing is little bit different than what I explained. But then every human being has this standard for the breathing. While inhalation, first belly will go up, then diaphragm, and then upper chest. While exhaling, first upper chest will contract, then mid of the rib cage, and then abdomen. So this is very much standard. So even if you are feeling like no, something is different with you specifically, don't worry about it. Few people can feel like that initially, but even if you are feeling like that, try to practice as described in this video. So slowly you will be correcting your breathing technique, and this will be really very helpful to be mindful, to be aware about your breath, and also increase the intake of oxygen wherever needed. So please practice this every single day, at least for 5 minutes. And please let me know the feedbacks, or even if any queries or questions regarding this, please comment in the section below. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Arogyam Dhana Sampada. Thank you so much and wish you all wonderful positive energies again.